Hello, my lovely, beautiful people. I'm so happy that you all are here. Today, I'm going to share my summer essentials, my must haves, things I need for my skin, my hair, my body. So, this is going to be a very interesting video. Let's get started. So, these are the few which are must haves and very essential in my summer skincare, body care, hair care. So, yes, let's talk about gels. So if you talk about summer skincare, then gels are the best options for all skin types. It really soothes your skin, it's really lightweight, and this is my absolute favorite face gels. I have been using many face gels, but this is very pocket friendly. At this price, you're not gonna get this product, this amazing product from Himalaya face gel. As you can see, the consistency of the product, it's very lightweight, it smells amazing, it glides well into your skin and instantly get absorbed into your skin. It leaves a very light moisturized skin with non-stickiness. As you can see, the instant effect. You can use it in your nighttime, your daytime, before your SPF. It's just amazing and I love this one. Next is my aloe vera soothing gel, which I love using it in my night skincare routine. It's very lightweight yet very moisturizing gel. I love using it on my body, my face. Gel moisturizer is a must have in your summer skincare. Now let's talk about body scrubs and exfoliating scrubs. So an exfoliating scrub plays a very important role in your summer skincare, and I am in love with this plum body scrub. It is a coffee body scrub. It smells like grounded coffee and it's amazing. It comes in a powder form, so it smells amazing. It's very helpful, also very travel friendly, and you can use it once in a week, and it helps to rebuild your new skin cells and really removes your whiteheads. Now let's talk about body lotions, which plays a very important role in your summer skincare routine. And yes, these are my two favorite body lotions, one from Johnson's Baby and one from Zudio, and I love both of these. But this is my most favorite body lotion. It's amazing, very underrated body lotion from Johnson's Baby. It's very light, very soothing and highly moisturizes your skin without leaving a stickiness on your skin, so it glides well like a butter. You can see it's very transparent, very light. You can see the consistency and voila, it's gone. I mean, it really absorbs into your skin well and leaves a very moisturized baby soft skin, and I love the smell. So yes, it's a must have. Now let's talk about facial toners. So yes, facial serums are a bit heavy on your skin in summer, so I like using a few sprays of a facial toner, and this is a very new in my family, so I have not been using this lately, but that's why I'm not showing the name of the product. But I love using rose toner, and yes, it's a very important product in your summer skincare routine. Now let's talk about lip balms. I have been using a lip balm which is my ultimate favorite from Juicy Chemistry. It's a vitamin C lip balm. As you all know, that vitamin C helps to moisturize your skin well, hydrates our skin well, and also protects us from sun damage. So this is my ultimate favorite. I have been using it for quite a while now. As you can see, the outer area of the lip balm, and I am in love with this lip balm. I mean, it's amazing and it smells amazing. So a lip balm is a very important thing in your summer essentials. So yes. Now let's talk about hair care in summers. So I like using dry shampoos, and this is one of my favorite dry shampoo from Batiste. It is in coconut flavor and I am in just love with this product. because of so many reasons. Of course, in summers you get your scalp really oily and very frequently, and washing your hair every day is not a good idea. It really extracts your natural oil from the scalp. So yes, few sprays of this Batiste dry shampoo and you're good to go. Your hair becomes really fresh and it looks like a freshly washed hair, and I just love this. It's my must have in summers. Now let's come to a very important topic, which is caps, scarves and umbrellas. So in summers it is very important to always carry a cap or a scarf or an umbrella, which helps you to protect from sunlight and really helps your hair, your face and your overall body. Last but not the least, let's talk about sunscreens. And of course we all know how sunscreens are, how much it's important in summers and obviously 12 months. So yes, we all know different kind of sunscreen. Today I will be sharing an amazing sunscreen from a pharma store, and it is from Suncross Matte Finish. It's for all skin type, and it really is a very light sunscreen, which is SPF 50 and without any white cast and non-sticky, gives you a matte finish, and it's also from a pharma store. So this is, I think, an absolutely number one sunscreen these days, and I just love it. As you can see, no white cast. It's amazing. It doesn't smells like a talcum powder or anything. It's just amazing. I just love it, and it protects your skin from sun. And yes, I am in love with this sunscreen, and sunscreen is a must in your summer skincare. You can also use sunscreen sticks or sprays to touch up your sunscreen. Never ever forget to get a touch up of your sunscreen after 2 hours. So yes, this was all for today. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you want any review of any of these products, you can comment down, and yes, I will be giving you the review, my honest review of any of these products. And yes, see you soon. Thank you for watching, and yes, I'll be back with another one. So do not forget to click the bell icon and also comment down below how you like the video. And yes, thank you for watching. Bye bye.